consideration of the assignment.
The UN Volunteer Program Executive Coordinator Olivier Adam concluded his 2 weeks mission in 3 East African countries by delivering a public lecture to students at Mount Kenya University, the youth being the target of the volunteering program.
Kenya is very vocal when it comes to volunteerism. Kenyans export themselves outside of Kenya, work across the UN system, and there's a very strong pool of talent, especially among young Kenyans, that can be drawn upon to support the work of the UN family.
Adam called on Kenyan youth and especially university students to join the program at a time that some youth have been swayed to join the Al-Shabaab terror group.
We are supporting this by integrating training, bringing national volunteers from most vulnerable areas, having programs that are also supported by vocational training of large bilateral donors in Kenya, including in the northeast of Kenya. We also really work in ensuring that there's better integration between the host communities and the refugee population, so there's no division.
The United Nations Volunteer Program contributes to peace and development through volunteerism worldwide, through integrating qualified, highly motivated and well-supported UN volunteers into development programming. The public lecture also explored the role of universities and relevance of volunteerism in fast-tracking the realization of the Sustainable Development Goals in East Africa. Franklin Masharia, K24 TV.